Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the plugin installed and ready. Install the AI assistant from the JetBrains marketplace and restart Intellij Idea. Once done, sign in with your provider account and paste the API key into the plugin settings so requests authenticate. Make sure the project is open and indexing runs fully. Indexing speeds up context-aware suggestions. Also, confirm code style and language plugins are active, so the assistant understands your project structure and offers relevant completions. Now configure model parameters and the invocation flow. In plugin preferences, set model choice, temperature, and token limits to balance creativity and reliability. Once done, map a convenient shortcut for quick calls and enable inline suggestions so completions appear as you type. When you want help, select the file or highlight the relevant code block to give the assistant context, then trigger the shortcut and send a concise prompt. This ensures responses are focused on the exact function or test you care about. Finish by validating suggestions carefully before applying them. You should run unit tests and linting after accepting code, and use the assistant's explain or refine commands to iterate on outputs. If a suggestion is off, regenerate with a clarified prompt or provide more context. Troubleshoot problems by checking the plugin log, verifying your API quota and network access, and disabling any conflicting code assist plugins. If necessary, restart Intellij Idea and reindex to resolve stale context or suggestion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.